Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI 12T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this XIAOMI smartphone. First of all, you need to locate Tools folder and click on it. Then tap on Recorder. Now select while using the app and Allow in the pop-ups and tap on this red button. I already did that, so I can click on it right away and tap on Don't Allow in only this pop-up. As you can see, following that, my recording is on. You can pause it or unpause it using the same button. If you wish to, you can always add a bookmark by clicking on the left one and end it and save it by tapping on the right one. Now name it however you want to and delete it right away by choosing Delete or tap on OK to save it. In order to access your recordings, click on this right button with 3 lines and tap on Allow. Finally, you can play it by clicking on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you need to go back, hold it, select this delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!